Today we're talking about something that's often hidden away in your home but plays a significant role in your daily comfort, your water heater. I'm here to share some tips on extending the life of your water heater, brought to you by Golden Rule, where we treat your home like our own. Have you ever wondered if you can make the water heater last longer? The answer is a big yes. You can get more years out of this unsung household hero with a little TLC. So what shortens the life of a water heater? Well, a few things. First up, sediment buildup. Over time, minerals and sediment can accumulate at the bottom of the tank, causing inefficiency and potential damage. Corrosion is another culprit. It can lead to leaks, reduce your water heater's lifespan, and neglect. Not giving your water heater the attention it deserves can lead to wear and tear. But don't worry, we're here to help. Let's talk about the actions that will help extend the life of your water heater. First, we've got regular flushing. It's like a spa day for your water heater. Flushing your water heater periodically helps eliminate that pesky sediment buildup, ensuring it works efficiently and stays healthy. Don't forget about the anode rod. This unsung hero inside your water heater attracts corrosive elements. Check it annually. And if it's looking worse for wear, replace it. It's like giving your water heater a superhero sidekick. Lastly, adjust the thermostat. Set it to around 125 degrees or slot A on the dial. Higher temperatures not only waste energy, but also speed up wear and tear. First, consider using low-flow fixtures. They often reduce water consumption without sacrificing your comfort. If you're looking for a new hot water heater, think about going tankless. They provide hot water on demand, so you'll never run out and you'll save space. And remember, when everyone's clamoring for a shower or to do the laundry, try spacing out high-demand activities. It'll help your water heater keep up. In conclusion, your water heater is vital to your home. With a little Golden Rule TLC, you can extend its life and enjoy hot water for years. So remember, a little proactive effort now can save you from the inconvenience of a sudden breakdown and the cost of premature replacement. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need expert advice maintaining your water heater, give us a call. At Golden Rule, we're always here to help because we treat your home like our own. Have a great day.